The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is one of the most iconic and reliable full-size pickup trucks on the market. Known for its power, durability, and versatility, it has remained a top choice for truck enthusiasts, businesses, and families alike. Over the years, Chevrolet has continued to refine and innovate this model, ensuring it meets the evolving demands of drivers who need both performance and comfort. One of the most impressive aspects of the Silverado 1500 is its range of powerful engine options. Whether it's the fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder, the classic V8, or the mighty Duramax diesel, Chevrolet offers choices that cater to different needs. These engines provide the Silverado with impressive towing capacity, making it a great option for hauling heavy loads, whether for work or recreation. The advanced trailering technology further enhances its capability, offering features such as trailer sway control, a tow-haul mode, and even advanced camera systems to simplify towing. Beyond its performance, the Silverado 1500 is designed with comfort and technology in mind. The interior features spacious seating, high-quality materials, and modern technology that keeps drivers connected. Depending on the trim level, owners can enjoy premium leather seats, a large infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even a premium sound system. Chevrolet understands that a truck isn't just about work, it's also about enjoying the journey. Safety is another strong point of the Silverado 1500. Chevrolet has equipped this truck with advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features ensure that drivers and passengers remain safe whether they're on the highway, in the city, or off-road. Speaking of off-road capability, the Silverado 1500 offers rugged trims such as the ZR2 and Trail Boss, which come with features like off-road suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. These models are built for adventure, allowing drivers to confidently take on rough terrain without compromising performance. The Silverado 1500 is not just a truck, it's a symbol of strength, reliability, and American craftsmanship. Whether you need it for heavy-duty work, family road trips, or weekend adventures, it delivers in every aspect. Chevrolet has designed this truck to be a well-rounded vehicle that balances power, technology, and comfort, making it one of the best choices in the full-size truck segment. For those looking for a truck that can do it all, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 stands out as a top contender.